Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial of automatic sugarcane farm for Minecraft Pocket Edition. So in the next update that is gonna be 1.16, the zero tick farms are no longer gonna be a thing because Mojang is removing the bug that used to cause an update to the block when it was zero ticked. So the zero tick farms are not gonna be functional from the next update. So once again we're gonna have to rely on these old school sugarcane farms which are based on observer and pistons. So uh, so these farms are no longer gonna be a thing. So I'm gonna show you how to build an automatic farm. This farm is not gonna be as efficient as the zero tick one. Actually it is gonna be way less efficient than the zero tick one, but this is the only option that we have now because the zero tick farms are not gonna be a thing anymore. So as you can see, I have already placed down some rails and now I'm gonna place the sand blocks over them. These minecart rails can hold the sand blocks in place. Now as you all know that sugarcane cannot grow without water. There need to be a water source at least on one side of the sand block for the sand block or the dirt, whatever you choose to use. So there needs to be a water source at least on one side of the sand block. As you can see, I have made a pocket here that's gonna hold the water. So now we're gonna place the water on both sides. um, so and now we're gonna plant the sugarcane. As you can see, now we can easily plant the sugarcane because there is a water source. Now here I made a mistake. I tried to put down the slabs before making sure that every block is a source block. So every block of the water should be a source block in order for you to place the slabs and without causing the water to disappear. So now I have made every block of water source block. These slabs can be waterlogged now from the previous update. So we can place down the slabs without causing the water source to disappear. Now I'm gonna place the pistons. These pistons need to be at the second level of the height of sugarcane. So we're gonna place them this way, facing the sugarcane, and then we will place the observers over the pistons facing front. So we have to place them from the back side like this. And now we're gonna place some planks so that we can run a redstone line so they can power the pistons. Now whenever the sugarcane grows in front of the observers, they will power the pistons, which will fire and break the sugarcane. So to make sure that no sugarcane gets wasted, we're gonna place a wall of glass in front of the sand block, the sugarcane and the pistons. It can be any other block that is available. It doesn't need to be glass. So we're gonna place a wall of glass like this, just to make sure that all of the sugarcane lands on the sand blocks and doesn't get wasted. This top layer of glass is not essential. And now we're gonna focus on the collection system. So on this side we are gonna place a block so that the minecart gets pushed away, and then on this side we are gonna place a chest first and then a hopper facing into the chest like this. Put down the chest first and then the hopper into the chest, and then finally we can again place a wall along this, and then over the hopper we can place a powered rail like this. So the last thing to do is to place down a hopper minecart over the rail and then give it a nudge so that it starts moving, and then it will collect the sugarcane and empty it into the chest. So now whenever a sugarcane grows in front of the observers, they will power the pistons, which will then break the sugarcane, and the hopper minecart below the sand blocks will pick up the sugarcane and then empty it into the chest. So if you want that your farm remain functional during night also, you need to make sure that there is enough light levels for the sugarcane to grow. So you can place down any light source. I went with glowstone. You can use sea lanterns or torches or lanterns. If you want your farm to produce large amount of sugarcane, you can always expand this farm. So in the end, I just want to say, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share the video. It will be a great help. Thank you.